in Shri Guru Nanak Girls Public School. Today my topic is Women and Child Development. Women and child development is our national progress for provide equal protections and welfare for both. Improving women is vital for national protections. Educated women ensure their child is also educated to a strong society. Awareness programs on health, nutrition and skill development help women their earning capacity and status. Children need a safe environment to their protection and development. Progress focus on early childhood, provided involve preschool education and health and nutrients for child from 0 to 16 years. Thank you.